Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Learn Together. You can expect content related to machine learning, data science, Python, and much more from this channel. So don't forget to subscribe. In the last video, we executed our first Python code and talked about variables. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure to check it out in the description below. In today's video, we'll discuss a few other Python basics. So let's get started. Now, we will learn about data types. Data types specify the type of value a variable holds. Most commonly used data types are integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Integers are whole numbers without a decimal point. For example, 5, minus 3, 42, etc. Floats. These are numbers with decimal point. For example, 3.14 minus 0.5, 7.0, etc. Strings. These are sequences of characters enclosed in single or double quotes. For example, hello, Python, 123. Anything, it can be text or numbers that is enclosed with single or double quotes is a string. Booleans. These represent true or false values. Let's understand data types with examples. X is equal to 4. Here x is storing the value 4, which is an integer. So the data type of x is integer. How do we know the data type of x? How to display the data type of x? We can do it with the help of type method. So type of x. Let's click on run. So int stands for integer. Now n is equal to Python. As I've told, we can use single or double quotes. Type of n. Click on run. str. This stands for string. So the data type of n is string. D is equal to 1.23. Type of D. So here D is float. So the data type of D is float. So click on run. Here it is, float. Now is underscore true is equal to true. Type of is underscore true. So let's click on run. C. The data type of is underscore true is boolean. Now let's talk about comments. Imagine you send this code to your friend. They might not understand what you're doing. How can you make it clearer? It can be done with the help of comments. Comments are pieces of text in your code that Python ignores. They are used to explain the code and make it more readable. So let's add comment to the code. In Python, you can add a comment by starting the line with the hash symbol. Now your friend will understand that this is the program which performs the sum of two numbers. Now let's move on to keywords. Keywords are reserved words that have special meanings and can't be used as variable names. Example, if, for, while, def, class, etc. You'll get to know about these things in the upcoming videos. That's it for the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.